Live, local, late breaking. This is KEZI 9 News at 11.
Good evening to you. I'm Brian Richardson. A grandfather is suing the Springfield School District tonight after he alleges his granddaughter was placed in what court documents call a scream room, causing mental harm. KEZI 9 News reporter Sarah Hurwitz looked into this issue. She is now live in Springfield with our top story here at 11 o'clock tonight. Sarah.
Well, shock and surprise for many parents and questions about how to handle disciplinary action when a student is acting out or having a mental health crisis. We obtained a copy of that lawsuit to find out what the grandfather says happened here at Riverbend Elementary 3 years ago. 2012, a grandfather claiming his granddaughter was forced into a cold room against her will, alone, in the dark, without a pillow or blanket after an apparent meltdown at Riverbend Elementary.
It's something that I personally wouldn't do.
Definitely a last resort. It wouldn't be something that would be the first thing that we would try.
The suit is opening up a conversation about disciplinary action in schools.
If there is a place to take the child where it's just an adult and that child and let the child have the meltdown and talk them out of it, but it's a process.
Sadie Timblin, who's worked in schools for developmental therapy, says a child may be put into another room for the safety of others in class, but it's important to never leave the child alone. Court documents argue the granddaughter was diagnosed with multiple developmental disorders. Her grandfather was told she was napping, but then found her in the fetal position in the room alone.
There's always a way to work it out with your child or with any child, you know, by talking. I mean, yeah, the mental capacities are different, but there's also different. I mean, putting them in a room by themselves just doesn't make any sense. Come on, guys, come on.
Chris Kramer is a parent of this spunky little girl, Brooklyn.
Whoa!
He says he and his wife talked about the suit and would never want disciplinary action to be handled in the way the suit alleges.
Trying to lock them up and quiet them down, it doesn't, it's not helping the kid. It's just only a temporary solution for the teacher, it seems like.
This is a $300,000 lawsuit, and the district would not go on camera, but a spokeswoman does say that they haven't even been served the papers yet, and that's why it won't comment. She also does say that they only had 2 cases of seclusion in the last school year and none in the previous year before that. And she also does say that it doesn't have any seclusion rooms defined by law. Live here in Springfield, Sarah Hurwitz, KEZI 9 News.